Ever had that glorious feeling at the end of the month where you actually have money left over in YNAB? No red alerts, no frantic budget adjustments, just pure, blissful surplus. But then the question hits you, now what? Do you just let it sit there? Blow it on something frivolous? Or is there a smarter, more fulfilling way to use that extra cash? YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is a powerful budgeting tool that helps you master your money. But it's not just about tracking expenses, it's about intentionally directing your money towards your goals. And when you consistently budget and live within your means, those leftover funds start piling up. This is your reward for mindful money management, but it's crucial to use that surplus wisely. So, what are the best ways to leverage that leftover YNAB money? Let's explore a few impactful strategies. Fund your future. Emergency fund, this is your safety net. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses in an easily accessible account. Leftover YNAB funds are perfect for quickly building this essential buffer. Retirement savings, contribute aggressively to your 401k or IRA. Even small consistent contributions can grow significantly over time due to compounding interest. Leftover funds can supercharge your retirement savings efforts. Debt paydown, if you have high-interest debt, prioritize aggressive repayment. Every extra dollar can significantly reduce your interest burden and accelerate your debt-free journey. Prioritize your goals. Short-term goals, leftover funds can turbocharge your short-term goals like vacations, home renovations, or that new car. Long-term goals, maybe you're saving for a down payment on a house or funding your child's education. Leftover money can significantly accelerate progress towards these long-term aspirations. Give back. Charitable giving, supporting causes you believe in, is incredibly rewarding. Leftover funds can make a real difference in the lives of others. Treat yourself wisely. Experiences, invest in experiences rather than material possessions. Travel, concerts, or unique adventures often provide lasting memories and fulfillment. Small indulgences, allow yourself occasional treats within your budget. A nice dinner, a new book, or a relaxing spa day can provide a well-deserved reward for your financial discipline. But before you splurge, remember these key considerations. Review your budget. Before allocating leftover funds, revisit your budget. Are there any unexpected expenses looming on the horizon? Automate your savings and investments whenever possible. This ensures consistent progress towards your goals and minimizes the risk of impulsive spending. Track your progress. Regularly review your progress towards your financial goals. This will keep you motivated and ensure you stay on track. Leftover money in YNAB is a powerful tool for achieving your financial dreams. By strategically allocating these funds, you can accelerate your progress towards your goals, build a strong financial foundation, and enjoy a more fulfilling life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.